Hello everyone, what's up? It's Rishika with another video on resin art. So join me into the process of making luxury resin cloth. So first I would like to tell you all the products I have used in the process. So everything is displayed on the screen. Gloves, mask, glue gun, cups, sticks, crystals, pigments, very important. First thing that I am doing is preparing the resin I am using. Resin which is 2:1 and the volume I have measured is 2 parts of resin and 1 part of hardener. Mix it well. It will take 3 to 5 minutes. And after mixing I have mixed the pigments and have poured all of it on my mold. So I have created the base of the clock, and let's move to the next step. Next, let's start the designing part. I have used preserved Varmala flowers of my client for the design. So you can put it accordingly the way you want. However, do see that the flowers are fully dry. Also, you can add pearls, rose petals, and whatever you like to add to enhance your project. Of course, there are a lot more things. So this is the second layer of transparent resin I'm doing. After pouring the resin and setting it up, do use the heat gun to eliminate the bubbles on the resin surface. So next I'm again preparing the resin, that is 2:1, and taking another mold for the clock base. I just think I should give white on the base so that the numbers are thoroughly visible. Let's move to the next step, that is creating the border of the base we have created. So I have used the mirror crystals, the gold crystals, and the copper crystal. You can use other crystals also, whatever you like. Totally depends on the design you want to create. And then after creating the border and setting all the crystal on the sides, next step I am pouring the transparent resin on above, and of course reminder, do use the heat gun to eliminate the bubbles. Okay, don't forget it. So leave it for 24 hours to dry up, and here it is. Have a look and how beautiful it is looking. Just look at the crystals and the reflections and the floral flowers. We have done 50% of the clock and 50 is still remaining, so keep watching the video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe I will post more videos and will come up with more resin techniques soon. Next, my resin has dried up. I have kept it for 24 hours and next I am demolding it. These flowers need to be sanded, so I'm using sanding machine for this. So here is the top coat. Apply evenly and leave it for 24 hours to dry it up. So after 24 hours I have applied the numbers through fabric glue, and also I have used the drill machine to make the hole of the clock, and this is the final look of my clock. I've done the border with the golden marker that is available on every side. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video and learned a lot from this video. If any questions, you can put that in comment box. I will surely answer. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.